Today, we re-diving into a question that sounds like it est straight out of a detective movie. Do identical twins have the same fingerprints? You might think you know the answer, but stick around, because things are about to get interesting. So, let's start with the basics. Identical twins come from a single fertilized egg that splits into two. This means they share the same DNA. It's why they look so alike, often have similar personalities, and can even donate organs to each other with a lower risk of rejection. Since DNA is the blueprint for our bodies, it's totally logical to assume their fingerprints would be identical too, right? Well, that's where the story takes a surprising turn. The answer is a clear no. Identical twins do not have the same fingerprints. While their fingerprint patterns will be very similar, much more so than two random people, or even fraternal twins, they are not exact copies. So, what's the secret ingredient that makes every single person's fingerprints, including those of identical twins, completely unique? It turns out that our DNA only provides the initial plan for our fingerprint patterns, things like loops, whorls, and arches. The final, intricate details are formed by a bunch of random factors while a baby is still developing in the womb. Imagine the tiny ridges on a fetus's fingertips, the exact pressure of the amniotic fluid, the baby's position in the womb, how fast their fingers are growing, even the length of the umbilical cord. All of these tiny, unpredictable events push and pull on the developing skin. This process, happening between the 13th and 19th week of pregnancy, creates the unique and unrepeatable ridges that become our fingerprints. It's a perfect example of nature versus nurture, but happening on a microscopic level before we're even born. So, even with the exact same genetic code, the slightly different journey each twin experiences in the womb is enough to create two distinct sets of fingerprints. This is why law enforcement can confidently rely on fingerprint evidence. Nudupopli, not even identical twins, have ever been found to have the same prints. It's a powerful reminder that while genetics lays the foundation, our individual experiences, starting from the very beginning, are what truly make us one of a kind. Isn't that incredible? A simple question leads to a deep dive into genetics, biology, and the beautiful randomness of life. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.